channel. So I am just on the way to a non-runner. I have been out to the car previously and I have diagnosed it, so I am just going to be repairing it. It's a Hyundai i10 or the Kia Picanto, both exactly the same. It's got the same engine in it, which is good for me because, as I mentioned before, I do quite a lot of work on Kia, and it's coming up with a camshaft code on it, but it's not running. It's turning over really quick. There's no compression on it. I have done compression checks on it, and yeah, there's nothing. It's getting like, I don't know, 10 psi something. I can see that the camshaft is still spinning, so the chain's not snapped. I think it's just jumped, which we have seen. I have seen it on Picanto and Rio and things like that. So it's going to be, hopefully, be a bit of a simple job. Literally just strip down the timing side, get the timing case off, time it up, put a new chain on it. So I've got a new chain and tensioner. I can get hold of some guides, but if I want to get it done today, I'll just have to inspect the old ones and see what they're like. Normally they don't break. Now I know you're probably going to be shouting and screaming at me because yes, it should be replaced. But they don't come as a kit through Kia. I have got a genuine Kia timing chain, which is a bit odd. I don't know why they don't, but they do. They don't come like that, so it is what it is really. So I've got the GoPro with me, I've got everything else. Now I'm not doing it at mine, I'm going there. Obviously it's a non-runner, so it might be a bit different, you know. I don't know what I'll be able to do and stuff in terms of filming and that, but I'll get what I can. So yeah, so I'll set the GoPro up once we get there, and we'll get as much as it filmed. Should be quite a decent job, to be honest with you. Look. It's just a quick update. I've got it at top dead centre, so you can see I've got dripstick in cylinder 1, so that's now at top dead centre on cylinder 1. But I'm not sure if you can see the mark very well actually. Go through there and have a look. There's a mark, you can't see to be honest because of the light, like that. So there's a mark here, and then the other one is that black one there. So they're out. So in case of getting the timing cover off.
chains off. Again, it doesn't look too slack, but it's obviously jumped, but the sealant on it is a right mess. It doesn't look like somebody's been here before. It's just a case of cleaning it up best I can. You can see the sealant everywhere. So guys, as you can see with the smoke somewhere, not sure if you see, the Hyundai is a runner. I'm just clearing it for clothes now. It took a bit to get going just because I think it had been over fuel, because cranking and cranking and cranking it obviously had loads of fuel in it. But I've got some right on ball looking at me over the road here. Just keeps looking at me. Don't know what's up with them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Again, another good video. Another runner, which is, thank God for that, to be honest. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoy the channel, please subscribe guys. Hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one.